Is your Blogger homepage looking cluttered? A messy layout can drive readers away. Let's clean it up by organizing your article snippets correctly. First, you have the standard options. Use the post.snippet tag for a short summary, or the long.snippet tag if you want to show a detailed preview of your article. Using a modern theme? Use snippets.short for compact card layouts, or snippets.long to give your featured posts a magazine-style look. Want full control? Use the eval operator. This lets you set an exact character limit and even keeps your links and formatting active in the preview. Don't like coding? No problem. Just use the Insert Jump Break button in your post editor to manually decide exactly where your preview ends. Organized snippets make your site look professional and help your SEO. Try these methods today and subscribe for more Blogger tips.